From debt to wealth, your roadmap to financial freedom. Step 1. Face your finances, know your debts and income. Step 2. Create a budget that prioritizes debt repayment. Step 3. Cut unnecessary expenses, live below your means. Step 4. Increase your income. Side hustles, promotions, or new skills. Step 5. Use the debt snowball or avalanche method to pay off debts. Step 6. Build an emergency fund to avoid future debt. Step 7. Start investing. Even small amounts add up over time. Step 8. Educate yourself on personal finance and wealth building. Step 9. Develop positive money habits. Automate savings and investments. Step 10. Stay motivated. Celebrate small wins along the way. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. With discipline and patience, you can transform your financial future. From debt to wealth, your roadmap to freedom starts now.